Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a new Road to 3K iRating episode. We're here at 2.5k iRating, so we're closing in on the 3k goal. And we're here at Lime Rock Park in the MX5 class. And wow, this is gonna be crazy, guys, because Lime Rock Park is really technical, has a long straight, so it has all the elements for a crazy race with a lot of carnage. And yeah, the MX5 is no joke. It's all about surviving in this class. Even in top split, it can be crazy. So I think I practice a lot. It's all about the consistency, keeping up those good laps, don't make any mistake, and try to work together and really be really careful, because otherwise we're going to lose a lot of iRating, because carnage is guaranteed here. So without further ado, let's see how we can qualify. We need to qualify as far up as possible to stay out of trouble, and from there on, let's see how it goes. We're into the quali session, guys. And as I said before, quali is crucial. It's of course in the MX5 class with only a 12-minute sprint race, quali is crucial because you just don't have time to add that many positions. And the MX5 is known for its carnage. It's just no. So thereby it's really important to stay out of trouble and just be able to drive freely, not in the midfield, because then you are just asking for trouble. And especially on tracks like these, like Summit Point Raceway as well in our latest episode, but a Lime Rock Park especially with, for example, this technical chicane, which a lot of people are sending it on the inside, which mostly ends up in tears. So yeah, let's see what we can do, guys, and let's lock in and get a good lap in.
I got this!
Shit, guys. Yeah, rip. It's not really a problem because I knew, because I was already in front of the P2 guy and I was 3 tenths behind the P1 guy, and I was like 1.5 tenths behind him, so I knew I had to send it like crazy in the last corner to try to close that gap, but I took too much risk and thereby lost it. But for now, I'm knocking it off, but it's looking for a front row, guys, so mission completed. Now it's let's pray to survive the race, because there's no guarantee. I think this might be the first time that I have more iRating than the strength of field. That's interesting. Let's hope for a good start. Try to go around the outside, I think, and let's see. Good start. Student driver even got a better start. I don't know how. Kind of a bad exit, but the guy behind it the same. Damn, the student driver is flying. Okay, the guys behind are battling, so this is lovely. Let's try to pull away with this guy, but he already created a huge gap, so that's impressive. Oh, come on, Allard, stay focused. Oh, big mistake. Shit. Yeah, not happening, mate. I don't like defending early, but I had to, because I didn't want to lose that position. Normally it's better to work together, but at Lime Park it's just too much risk because it's so technical. Let's try to break the slipstream. As long as the guys behind him are not catching up, I'm happy.
The next car's the leader.
Oh really, mate, thank you for the helpful information. Oh shit, the guy had a really good run with chicane, had to defend there. Yeah, we definitely have to defend hard here, because the other guys are 2 seconds behind. Let's follow him behind, otherwise we're gonna lose too much time. Great overtake by him. I was a little bit too much on the brakes there, so my bad. Oh, f***ing hell. Making too much mistakes through the chicane. It's so bad. Okay, let's try to get close again now with slipstream.
I got this.
Ah, come on, man. Allard, come on. Making the same dumb mistake a lot. The student driver is flying. It's insane. Okay, we're in half a second now. Damn, we're both sending it through there. Now we gotta pray for him to make a mistake. No, he doesn't. GG's podium. Damn, the student driver guy went flying. Wow, respect. I think he'll improve a lot on his iRating. GG to number 2 guy. Whew. Okay guys, wow. And the gap to the cars behind was crazy, since it was like a race that didn't really happen a lot. And yeah, we have really good pace, so I think we can farm more iRating. Yeah, let's do one more. Okay guys, we're in quali and oh, we're gonna get cooked. We're in top split. No. God damn it, there's once again someone with twice my iRating. No. Oh, guys. It's gonna get wasted here. But yeah, on the other hand, of course, we had a front row in the previous race. Should be able to compete here. That means we're gonna get like a crazy quali lap, because now it's getting really important. So let's get the ultimate lock in, guys. Yeah. Good. Come on. Push. Go off track, please. Yes. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Oh, yes. What a lap, guys. Wow, that's really good. Only a tenth of my PB on this track. Woo. Oh, finally didn't choke quali, guys. I can do it. I can. Wow, guys, we're actually in front of the guy with double my iRating. Or he still has to qualify, I don't know. Oh shit, we're gonna have the guy with the 5k behind us. It's gonna be scary. Maybe we'll let him go if he shows stronger pace, but of course we're not gonna give it to him easily. But if you can see he's clearly stronger, I'm going to let him go along in the slipstream and try to go away, just as we did in the previous race. I think that's the game plan, because we just gotta get out of the trouble. It's the student driver guy. I swear this guy is so fast. It's insane. He's getting pole in every session. I can't beat this guy. Start. Oh my god. He got murdered behind me. Even in top split you ain't safe these days. Okay, it's looking quite solid. Let's try to stay behind these guys and follow them in their slipstream. Solid run. Problem is that the guy behind me is closing in as well, so it's not ideal. I think I gotta have to work together with the number 2 must hire. Otherwise the whole field will catch up to us. Oh. Oh, the guy behind made a mistake. Okay, lovely guys, this is going perfect. Okay guys, 2.1, so we have more pace than the guy behind, and I hope that the other guy is going to attack him. Not make any mistake in the chicane, because it's really easy to do that and then you can ruin your whole car or crash. Oh. Damn, he's pushing it to stay behind him. But he's kinda losing it. Oh, watch out, Allard. Whew. We're driving really good laps. The guy behind is slowly closing in, but we're already halfway to the race. And we gotta remember to lift slightly more, because you can see the guy already getting so many off track. So let's try to stay sharp on that for example here, which is gonna lose me a lot of time. Okay, we already have to live there longer because the tire deck is crazy on this track. He's still in the same gap, but the guy behind him is 2/10 behind him. I don't want to be dependent on other people for my performance, but it would probably help us a lot. That guy once again taking an off limit there, over off track, crazy. Longer lifts, and now apply the throttle. That's better. I think we can take more curb on the opening there as well, so we have a better line there, because now it's kinda tough to make that. The guys behind are really close towards each other, so. Oh wow, you can take the line really narrow to there. Oh, I think the guys behind me crashed. Gotta focus on what's in front of me. Oh yeah, here's getting more tough. Yeah, we got 3 seconds behind, so nothing happening from behind. It's quite boring. We're now getting into the low 1 minute laps, and the other guys before me have like the 59 high, so yeah, we're doing okay laps, because the guy behind me is definitely slower. But yeah, I can't really catch up to these guys, they're simply too fast. Oh, okay guys, wow, GG's, good race. Wow, the guy in P1 with the student car is absolutely killing it. I'm so curious who that is. It has to be some influencer guy probably, or like a really good driver, maybe a real life race driver, because he's driving so consistently and really good lines. I think I'm going to analyze his lines after this race, because I'm really curious now what he's doing better than me. Probably a lot, but then of course we can only learn from that. But wow guys, let's go! P3 in top split, let's go! That's really really nice. It's actually my personal best. Really happy with that. Let's see if we gain some solid iRating, and yeah. Lovely racing. Yes guys, we're into the results, and oh my god, I just realized I made a huge mistake, because as you can see, the layout for the results is lined up perfectly for the video. And what I normally do is, because of course my gameplay is centered in the car, then if I open up the results, since it's centered, you can see the safety rating. So then I adjust it to the right so you can see it. And I forgot to turn it back, so the video is now a little bit adjusted to the right. So that's really dumb. But yeah, let's look into the results, guys, because wow, I think this is one of my best races I've had, because the pace getting there, I'm learning more tricks, better car control, just finding that raw race pace, which is going pretty well. Staying out of trouble is going really well as well. And what's going really nice is the consistency, because I think the consistency is my biggest problem. It's the hardest to learn with your focus, of course, your consistency, to keep on getting those reps. I think the only major mistake I made was in the chicane, where I lost a couple of tenths in race 2. But then you see in race 1 we had no one behind us, no one in front of us, we just drove our own race, and exactly the same habit for race 2. So that is really nice. And let's look into the iRating of race 2. Let's go guys. Oh, this is going really good, because for our Road to 3K iRating series we're now improving every episode, and that's really satisfying. I'm really happy with that. In top split, a podium, which is crazy. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching it. It means a lot. I really enjoy recording YouTube videos. I hope one day it pays off, and for now I see all your comments, guys, and I really love to read it, so I read all of your comments. If you're newer to the channel, please consider subscribing. You'll now see a graph of the people watching this which are subscribed or are not subscribed, with a really big difference, and subscribing would help me a lot as a small creator. Without further ado, let's wait until the next video next week. I'm uploading every week, and we're having a nice upload streak of a couple of weeks now, and I'm trying to break my record of 22 weeks. And yeah guys, with that being said, it was a lovely race. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. Ciao.